सरकाराची भलायकी पॉलिसी कोलमडून पडल्या. गोमेकोत दुयेंतीक जमनीर न्हिदचें पडटा. तशेंच योग्य सुविधा मेळना. हांगसर दोतोराचें पद बेगिना बेगीन भरचें म्हण ह्या मुद्द्यार हायकोर्टात कागाळ नोंद केल्या, अशी माहिती ॲडव्होकेट सुहास नाईक हांणी दिल्या. डेस्क खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
हायकोर्टान आमच्या कलिगान पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट लिटिगेशन फायल केला आनी मुद्दो आशिल्लो की सरकाराची हेल्थ पॉलिसी जी आसा ती सगळी हेल्थ पॉलिसी आयज कोलमडून पडलेली आसा. यू गो टू द GMC इज इन shambles. There are no doctors available in the GMC. Medicines are not available in GMC. The ward, the maternity ward is not sufficient. The people are made to sleep on the floor. In other primary health center, the condition is similar. I mean, there are no doctors, and due to non-availability of the doctors, many times accidents occur on the road. And when the patient is shifted to such primary health centers, they are unable to give them any kind of service or provide the primary healthcare facilities. So then they are shifted to the GMC. But by the time they are shifted to the GMC, sometimes the patient succumbs to the injuries. These things have happened recently in Sankilim, it has happened in Kepe, it has happened in many parts of Goa, and basically it is happening because there are no doctors available. So our colleague has filed a PIL demanding from the state government that the vacancies of the doctors which are vacant in many primary health centers and hospitals should be immediately filled up.
But everything else is being monitored by Advocate Avalon in the High Court, and he has argued also in the High Court very nicely, and now compliance report government is supposed to give to the High Court after every 3 months.
We had filed this PIL in January, and the issue was filling up of vacancies in primary health centers and rural health centers so that the burden on GMC decreases. After we argued the matter, High Court was pleased enough to issue notices to the government. Government has filed a reply. In their reply, they have said that certain doctors have been appointed to the vacant posts, 64 number of doctors to be exact. But we have got information from the Director of Health Services under RTI application that there are 154 posts in various designations which are vacant, and only 64 of these posts have been filled. That too, they are on trainee posts. After we argued the matter on Tuesday, the High Court was kind enough to intervene in this matter, and they said that the public health can't be played with, and they have directed the government to fill in the rest of the vacancies. And a compliance report or status report is asked from the government every 3 months. So now the matter will be coming up after every 3 months, and status report will be taken as to how many vacancies are there, how many posts have been filled, etc. So we have got relief as of now, and we will continue this till we get all the posts filled up.